Hey, this is Jade Alpine Companies on another crawl space conversion project. There's our entrance and exit point. It's going to be an egress window when we're finished. We're ready in this smaller room to go ahead and prep and form foundation walls. There's their entrance door. We get these walls formed and poured. Floor in here poured. See, we got about another 30 or 40 yards out of this area in here. So looks good. If we get farther along, I'll take some more video. Thanks for watching. This is Jade Alpine. We'll see you guys on the next one.